here is you can't make people obsessed with you. The only way people become obsessed with you is because they see that you are investing time in yourself. They see that you're investing money in yourself. They see that you are loving yourself. And because people lack that, people lack self-love, people lack that confidence in themselves. So when they look at you, they want to be around you. They want to be with you or be you. Because you are what they don't have.
Self-concept. We talk about self-concept a lot in manifestation. How do you perceive yourself? Next week, I'm coming out with a full guide on how to entirely rewire your mindset. But until then, figure out what you want your self-concept to be. If you have the self-concept, everyone hates me, nobody loves me, I'm unlovable, someone will never be obsessed with you. So have your self-concept simply as everyone is obsessed with me, everyone loves me, and your reality will slowly conform to that.
So first of all, you need to get that mindset right. You wanna be someone that people are obsessed with. Why would they be obsessed with you? If you're constantly sitting in your bedroom, being sad all day, listening to sad music, watching sad shows, then you're like, oh, people should be obsessed. Obsessed with what? With what, honey? What is there to be obsessed about? Once you are so invested in yourself, and once you are so focused on your passions, your goals, and yourself, and you're doing the things that you love so much, I promise you, you don't even want people to be obsessed with you. You don't need that. You literally start to become like, I really love life and I love myself.
Don't excessively be in someone's world or energetic field. For example, when you're obsessed with someone, you're not living in your own world anymore. You exist in their world. You wake up, you check their stories, you check their Instagram, you stalk their following, or whatever you do. You're existing in their world. They have so much power over you. You're not even in your own world anymore. You need to actually entirely retract your energy and put it back onto yourself. This is a psychology trick, but if you want them to naturally like you more, simply be around them more. Studies have proven that we tend to like people more when we are around them. And we find them more attractive when we've seen them a lot as well.
If you want other people to be obsessed with you, then they should think, oh my God, like I want to be a part of her life. Her life seems so much fun. She seems so happy. I want to be happy too. Like I want to get close to her so I can experience whatever she's experiencing. So it's all about energy, right? Like for example, a girl that walked into a room and is not caring about who she's gonna impress, but she just cares about, oh, I'm gonna have a lovely time with my friends. Those are the most attractive people. They are vibrating on a confident level. Their energy is confident. They're just there to be happy, have a great time. And you will see that most people will go to her instead of other people that are desperate and looking around like, oh my God, I hope someone likes me. No, the key to all your dreams, the key to everything you want is you. And once you start realizing this, the faster you realize this, the faster your life will start to fall into place.
So if you're able to command your own energy, you have strong energy, you have a life that you love, people will naturally obsess over you without you even needing to do all these dark methods.